Trap Trader here, 26th of June 2025, and I took a little long of that 60, sold at 65. I sold something here, the last bit at 65, hence some $167 up. So I cooled off from yesterday's trading. And we've been break even. We need $160 to pass this account. Something like that. And hopefully we'll complete that today. Yeah, I need 3,000. So I need to make 3,000 to pass this account. We did push for this 70, 75. That's just 1 point. Technically speaking, 2 ticks. Supposed to be an excess, but I don't think in today's conditions 2 ticks is enough. We got a little bounce. Market is going to open in 10 minutes. I basically bought the drop. I think I bought first that bit here. We bounced a little bit and they decided to go and grab everything. So yeah, Delta 379 in pre-market. That's not a lot. So what's the plan? As we can see here, we did push overnight. I think we closed We close somewhere here, right? Yeah. And overnight I've been buying. So market is 100% long. We had data release. Today is what? Oh, god damn it. Today is Thursday. Final GDP is 0.5 minus. So worse than expected. Unemployment claims in line with expectation. Durable goods orders, everything is okay. That's higher. Final GDP a little bit bigger than unexpected. What CNBC says. That's SPY. And we know that QQQ managed to hit this all-time high, which is actually here. It was in pre-market. I prefer to put RTH levels. So that's RTH all-time high. ETH doesn't count. Yeah. So we had the drop and they keep buying it. Okay, we got some buying right now. We have some buying 24 past. They're buying 55, 65. We'll see how that works. We managed to push through that. A 15-minute. Now I got another one here. And here. Well, that's Nasdaq. At top, and it's pretty flat. So we could get a push. We could get a push up there. I think, yeah, it's a London high. Oh, that's London high. So You can see that the liquidity has been taken on Nasdaq. Liquidity has been taken on ES as well. Looks like we could push. Okay, market is open. Okay, now this okay, push through this 15. Let's wait and see. Tick should elevated on ES. We have liquidity at 50. Sorry, it's 60. And 55 also. And also liquidity was waiting at 75. From 73 to 75. Yeah, because we took that, we should deliver it up here. Question is how they're gonna do that. Maybe now. But because they sold here, do this 5 leg up. It's possible that I'll drop. Yeah. Look what Nasdaq is doing already. I'm gonna try the short here. It's pretty much. Ay. Are you gonna reverse now? Okay, stop loss break even. Come on. Come on, yes.
Order filled.
Didn't drop. And now Nasdaq is returning back up. So we have clear SMT. Is Nasdaq going to drop? Look at the ES, 2500. That's a strong delta, very strong. It is actually better to trade Nasdaq now, but it doesn't matter. They're both gonna go up. ES is very strong. So we pushed into this 15 again. That's not an entry for long. Entry for long was somewhere here. But I thought we will dump into this level. And we'll grab that liquidity down here, but it didn't happen. How about now? Looks like Nasdaq wants to get lower. Still a lot of liquidity on both sides of the price action, so hard to judge which way. Russell pushing higher, Dow Jones pushing higher. ES is holding, Nasdaq is just dropping right now again. VIX at the lows. Looks like that's a failure. Nasdaq is clearly dropping. I will try to chase this because I do think we're gonna hit that. With Nasdaq falling like that. Come on. Nasdaq is way below.
Order filled.
Let's see if we can get that down there. Come on, yes. Dump it. Yeah, so people were shorting that. Look at that. God damn it. Really? People were shorting this and they took them up. They sold into the the 70, 69. And now we could go down. It's just a typical
Order filled.
behavior. I hope we're gonna dump it. It's 39. Nasdaq is continuing. I like that. Nasdaq is continuing. I like that thing. It should follow. What about the rest? RTH is pulling back as well. I don't know.
Order filled.
I'm gonna add one more here. It's a tricky trade because god damn it. He has wanted to go lower, but it didn't go lower. Nasdaq is reversing. I still think we're gonna go lower. Nasdaq wants to go lower. Nasdaq is getting accepted back in the range. Pressure is to the downside on Nasdaq. Fucking yes, it's trying to push higher. What are we doing now?
Order filled.
Okay, let's try this one more. 8 contracts. And that's the drop. What we need, that's what we need, right? Something like that. And hopefully we'll get that. Nasdaq is continuing lower. 42 past. We got 3 more minutes. We could go and hit that. Yeah. Come on. You got space to go lower. Come on. God damn it. No way. Really? It's gonna go for that London, I think. Nasdaq is coming back up as well.
Order
There
filled.
you go. Fucking $3. I need $3 more. You see how they do that? Do you see how they do this? It's just like it's just they had to take the fucking thing down there, 161. Well, we need $3 to pass this. It's 1 point on one contract. Now they grab that liquidity down here, which means we can sell into the highs. Yeah. So what Nasdaq is trying to do, continue lower. Yeah, looks like they want to go low. Look at Nasdaq. It's making new lows. Good reverse now on Nasdaq. Yeah. First 15 minutes it was already. Let's put this IB. Yeah, they hit that yesterday's high, so basically they closed the gap. And where is yesterday's high on Nasdaq? Far away. So equity taken, then we have the bounce. I'll try this down. How thick is this? Not a lot. I just don't want to make some stupid mistake when I'm this close. I could actually change that and say in settings, profit, position risk, point, profit, just give me $5 or you just need 4. Right? Good to use whatever you can. You just need 4. Yeah, we actually need $3. Okay, we need $3. Make it free. Nasdaq dropping. We have inverted that fair value gap. It's still bearish. That's IB. We are taking this IB. Could reverse. Let's check liquidity. Yeah, there's a lot of liquidity above, going up. You might think like, oh man, this is just $3. Yeah, but I don't want to enter some random price, because it can change into $25, and that looks bullish. I grab the liquidity. It's 54 past. New candle will open at 55. Right? Yeah, no. First minute is manipulation.
Order filled.
Okay, man. Come on.
Order filled.
Jesus, what is it? 98? It was $5. Yeah, well. Give me that thing. Obviously that doesn't work. It's like a 10 is minimum, I guess. That is minimum. Well, give me a MQ1.
Order filled. Order filled.
53 and 70 pence. That's what I needed, right? Oh, plus 60 pence more, 60 cents more. So I made 53 and 70. Okay. So that's a pass. That is a pass. Yeah, Nasdaq is better for this kind of bits and bobs. This account is a pass. We're gonna lock it so we don't screw it anymore. Let's get another one and start trading a new account. Because once I pass, like I just passed right now, the plan is to trade two accounts at the same time, paid account and this combined account, a new combined account. So by the time I make $3,000 and I will be able to withdraw, also I will be able to pass on. There you go, look at that. We did push. Okay, we got another account. We're trading ES, MES. So finally we passed something, because last week, Friday, I blew up. And I had only $200 left to pass. I don't know what the fuck I was doing. It's just I wasn't even thinking about it. Today I was really focused on just passing. Don't need anything else. Good. So that was a good entry, right? When you think about it, I was focusing only to pass, but that was a good entry after liquidity taking. Look at this. Nasdaq took so much of the liquidity as well, and you can see that here. And basically, Nasdaq almost dropped to settlement price from yesterday. Look at that. Big contracts going on there. Huge contracts. Nasdaq is behind. Nasdaq is behind. ES just sold. The question is, what we're gonna do next? Once we sold, are we gonna continue higher towards that towards that all-time high on ES on SPY, because QQQ it's already up there. ES is behind. That doesn't mean anything, but beautiful push, 475, 100 points. So we're waiting for another trade. So it's 10 o'clock. They pushed into this 10 o'clock. I probably had news. Doesn't matter what kind of news was that. Pending home sales. Well, 1.8% versus 0.2, so that's positive. So we made what, $324. Nice. It's like yesterday on this account we took one trade and we were, I think, $200 away to pass it, and then got into trouble. At some point I was minus 700. Then I got back into zero, and I was talking about it. Once you 750 down and you come back into zero, it was like 11:30. Do not trade. Just come next day, cool off, and that was a good decision, because today I'm coming and I'm passing this account, and you know, this hold here. I mean, we had the drop, could have taken it first. They took me up one more time, then we dropped, but Nasdaq was making constant pressure to the downside, and ES had that level. But ES is smart, you know. People think, you know, oh, it's gonna drop, it's gonna go for it. They take you up one more time. So your position size needs to be small enough that you can withstand this kind of pushes, or trade. You know, with some entries at stupid levels when you're trying to catch it. Yeah. It doesn't look like they want to continue higher, to be honest. Even if this drops, it can still come back up here. So what I'm gonna do, I will try to do what I just said, you know, some kind of one crazy push. I think market wants to pull, because ES So let's just quickly have a look what we have got here. We got, yeah, we took that already. We took this already. We took that level. Nasdaq hit that fair value gap up here. It's dumping again. I want to catch this at the right place. I see a lot of red, a bit of.
We have posted out the link to the WTO goods barometer report on the feed for you to read through. So just to summarize, goods barometer report rises as imports surge in first quarter ahead of expected tariff hikes.
I mean, trend is up, right? It's a pullback. What about liquidity? Let's have a look at the liquidity. What do we see? 55 waiting. There's a lot of liquidity, up to 70, up to 80. Yeah. Up to 80. So we could just grind. This was a pretty fast move to sell, but they might just calm down a little bit. Yeah, that's another fair value gap on this 5 minute.
So just a heads up for your calendars, OpenAI CEO Altman will be the keynote at the Fed Board's conference next month on bank capital and regulation.
Oh,
Order
okay,
filled.
yeah. Whoops, what's this? Yeah, we need to change that. For 500. Let's see. We got 2,400 candle. What that was this candle that they sold. Let's see. We just chop around first. I think
Order
we can
filled.
catch this a little bit cheaper somewhere here. Why I didn't place that for value gap? I'll try to buy this here. Limit by 5. Nasdaq. Yeah, let's try to catch this cheaper. $66.50, $65.75. Maybe try to buy 10. 65. Nasdaq. We'll see. What time is it? 12 past. $65.50 is opening price. Pumping.
German 30-year government bond yield hits highest since May 29th, at about 3.09%, up about 2 basis points on the day.
It's going towards the 72 where liquidity is. Nasdaq will try to invert that fair value gap. This could be long, obviously, because of that drop, push. They want to sell it into, Nasdaq wants to sell it into overnight high. Most likely grab off this shelf before the push. Most likely. Because they already sold into that, and it's just they just keep buying. But stop losses are here. A drop down here would be nice. And Nasdaq could do the same thing. Drop into this. But I'm not gonna short that because it's very bullish. It is bullish. Price action, look at that. 1350, 240. That's a flag. Maybe we'll have that something which is called turtle soup. Drop and come back up. That's what you want to catch. You want to catch this kind of, you know what, I'll do a bit different. I'll go 5 here. Hold a little drop and another 5 somewhere here. If that comes down there, obviously. 65. I can see the 60 is waiting. I don't think 60 gonna get anything. Past. Okay, 18 past. Do I want to try this rotation to the downside? let's just wait. 67.50 wants to buy. Yeah, got some orders there as well. Twenty past.
Minutes ago until we get data from the EIA natural gas change at the top of the hour. Forecast is for a build of 87 BCF. 87.
Okay, I'm gonna try here.
Order
And
filled.
the prior was 95 BCF. So
I'll
build
try the short
prior was a
here
build of
into
95 BCF.
into the
Forecast is for a
liquidity.
build of 87 BCF.
This is a good idea or not? Okay, longs got interested. How about we dump that now?
So seeing shares of US big banks rise after the Federal Reserve plans to ease bank leverage requirements. JP Morgan up 1.3%, Wells Fargo up 0.5%, Bank of America up 1.1%, Citi up 1.5%, Goldman Sachs up 1.5%, and Morgan Stanley
Order filled.
up 0.8%. PayPal CEO says we're creating real stablecoin use cases for
That's
customers.
my risk. And that's my target. Somewhere here. $1,000. Looks like they're buying it. Looks like they want to push. But they, at the same time, you know that that will be a beautiful trap if they decide to pull this rug now and drop back to 67, 66. That will be a beautiful rug pull. Why is it going to happen? 67. Yeah, we got liquidity waiting there, so it's possible. It can happen very fast. Sudden drop. Take these longs. Out of position. 23 past. Come on. You know you want it. You know you want the stop losses of these longs. Mm-hmm. And liquidity is up to 75, so my stop loss will have to be a little bit higher than that. It's like 1-to-1 really trade. Yeah, 75.
Time is going to get the EIA natural gas change. Forecast is for a
Okay,
build
I'm gonna
of
try
87 BCF. Time
maybe
is a build of
push
95
through
BCF.
this, so add. If they decide to actually take the liquidity, I'm gonna add. Come on. I mean, okay, Nasdaq just inverted this fair value gap, which is not good. It'll have to be high actually. Stop loss will be hit here. So I'm trying to play this turtle sub trade, but are we going to do that? We'll see. It's a new account. I can afford myself to go a little bit bigger than I want. I need to give space. Yeah. Okay. They taking this 50, 75. Let's see how Nasdaq's gonna finish this. I'm just gonna wait. I think it's enough. Because this is 1-to-1 trade now.
Order
I'm
filled.
gonna add here. Let's see.
US crude oil futures up $1 on US dollar weakness.
Liquidity is up to 80. Fucking hell. Still grinding high. Let's see how Nasdaq's gonna finish this 5-minute candle. Are we gonna stay above that fair value gap, or are we gonna dump it lower? In the last minute. A lot of red on the tape. A lot of red on the tape there. 70. The 70 is waiting now, so let's move this to 70. Let's move that to 70.
1 minute to go now.
Might be like a spike and dump.
Order filled.
Yeah, I have to get out from that thing. That's a bad trade. Didn't work.
10 seconds.
Order filled.
Build of 95 build 96 BCF, a build of 96 BCF compared to the expected build of 87 BCF. So for the back of that bigger than expected build, seeing some downward movement on natural gas.
Okay. We want to hold this because that's my fresh account, so I can actually hold this. See how it's gonna go. Got liquidity up to 80. I know they're gonna do a little bit of pullback at some point. I'm gonna get out. Yeah, Nasdaq might just try to push here. Shit. We got the push. Alright.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
What a push.
US natural gas futures extend losses down about 3.6% after the EIA reports bigger than expected storage build.
Order filled.
Yeah. Blow up on the first account. On the first trade on this account. Okay, I'm not gonna be here. I'm just gonna leave it. Let's see what's gonna happen next. Well, what did they say? I'm not gonna go short on this, and I went short. I was waiting for the drop, so it didn't happen. That's not a good thing, but there's nothing I can do about it now, right? Hopefully this will just pull, and we can get out relatively cheap. It's quite extended. And there's a lot of liquidity to 70, up to 70, so 77, 75, 72, 70. So should be able to get out. Especially that we took that liquidity at 10:30. Nasdaq sold into the overnight high. We might try to get out, you know. Yes, Nasdaq and inverted this further gap, and then we got that push. It's alright. That's alright. And obviously it's a turbo trade, but it's just a first brand new account. Yeah, Nasdaq is pulling nicely back into this fair value gap. It looks like they want to dump. And grab the liquidity, basically.
We have posted out the EIA natural gas report on the feed for you to read through.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah. It's 38 past.
Order filled.
How about we just drop down here? Let's take that 5 minute, or maybe here. Yeah, maybe here. Let's try to get out here.
US natural gas features extend losses. Prices down by over 5% now on bigger than expected storage build. Seeing Brent crude futures rising $1 as the US dollar weakens.
Nasdaq just dipped. Yes. Haven't even budged. Come on, yes.
Seeing
Okay,
gap
Nasdaq.
between the German 30-year and 2-year bond yields up 6 basis points, on track for the biggest daily rise since early April.
Come on, yes. Yes, it's holding. Look at that. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Dump, 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 dump. Yeah, should go lower. Gas, we got a lot of liquidity. I'm not greedy on what I want to get out, so maybe on the second leg. It's just the first leg down. Nasdaq starts to look bearish. I think we're gonna drop. We got liquidity up to 70. So got the feeling that we might dump it. Just to go and grab the liquidity. 72, 75. Come on, reach for that.
So just a reminder, you do have the Senate Iran briefing at 2 p.m. Eastern Time.
Come on, reach for this.
So the White House did pull DNI Gabbard from the briefing. Briefers will be Ratcliffe, Rubio, Hegseth, and Kaine. And Senate could vote on Senator Kaine's War Powers resolution as soon as this evening.
You know what? There you go. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah.
Order
I just
filled.
close one.
Order
Two.
filled.
Come on, hit me down there. Come on, big boy. What's up? What's up? God damn it. Push. I mean, drop. Drop. God damn it. You know you want that.
Order filled.
I can't just... You know what? Oh, higher. Up here. Liquidity is up to 70. 72.50, 72.50, 72.50. It's down here. Should get there. Don't add. We're gonna add somewhere higher. We can just hold this. And the second leg. Where's this 5 minute? Here's the 5 minute. Okay, let's try. $1,614. That was a good drop. Yeah, it was a stupid trade, you know. We never got that level. We started to pump.
Order filled.
I got the fill. And we can pull back now here. A second time. I would say into this liquidity here. Yeah.
Kevin's climbing at the
Past.
Kansas City Fed manufacturing. Kansas City Fed
75,
confidence
yeah,
index
75.
forecast
That's a
-5,
pretty
prior
strong
-3, and Fed
liquidity level.
manufacturing prior -10.
So hopefully we'll just dump into that. Well, it's just this big one spike candle. Okay, order block here. Now is the test. We're gonna break that and go. Into this level, Nasdaq. Quick drop. No? God damn it, not like that. Just hit me that into this place and that's it. Yeah,
Order filled.
Nasdaq is falling. Yeah. Come on. $75. 75 is waiting, so we're gonna wait in front of it. 75 quarter. So Nasdaq didn't need to drop that much when they dropped it. If they wanted to go high, that was the candle to continue. They dropped lower. I mean, they did grab a little bit of liquidity here, but ES didn't do it. So I'm thinking we might just go here and then continue into this fair value gap. Eventually, we have liquidity 72 and even 71, 72. It's down here. So it's okay. It's all right. It's all right.
Order filled.
Okay, 5 more minutes. Now I could just drop here, new candle open, take the liquidity, because we're gonna have 15 and 15 here as well. We're gonna have 2 levels to grab, 2 levels to collect. Ah, they already took that. That's not good. That is not good. So if you look at liquidity, look at this liquidity. We got 77, 75. Plenty of reason to go lower.
It's less than 5 minutes ago till we get the Kansas City
11
Composite
o'clock
Index.
in 4 minutes.
Forecast -5, prior -3, and City and then Fed manufacturing prior -10.
Nasdaq looks bearish. I don't really see any point why would they drop so much without thinking about going lower. Yes, should continue. Might go and grab this as well, you know, just okay, we got some liquidity waiting at 82. And quick. Yeah.
One minute to go now. I'll lead with the Kansas City Fed Composite Index.
11 o'clock. They can use that.
Reminder, it does have a tendency to sometimes come out early. 10 seconds.
Let's see.
Still waiting on the data. Whilst we wait for the data, though, just US Treasury to auction $71 billion in 6-month bills. The US is to auction $79 billion in 3-month bills.
A little pop before drop.
So for the 3-month bill auctions, they're to be sold on June 30th, to settle on July 3rd, as is the same for the 6-month bills. Kansas City Fed Composite Index coming in at -2, higher than forecast to -5. Just waiting on the manufacturing data to come through.
Order
a lot of
filled.
selling going on down there on the tape right now. I'm gonna try here to add. Okay, stops. What now? And pull it.
According to Sky News Arabia, citing Israel's Hayom, citing 2 sources, Washington will recognize some Israeli sovereignty over the West Bank.
Yeah. No, I'm gonna stay short. Okay, now they popped through this liquidity. Okay, let's just stay. So we already 27 contracts.
Kansas City Fed manufacturing 5.
$619. Still bullish. But what I'm trying to get here is this failed second entry. Long. A failed second entry long. I don't think Nasdaq's gonna attack the top here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Alright. Liquidity as well is gone on the, I mean, 82, 85, but a lot of liquidity down here. Should reach for it at some point. That's why there's one stupid trade, right? One stupid short here. Like, you know, we're gonna dump it there instead of waiting for a drop if it didn't happen. And, you know, you could just not take a trade. $7,794. Not a big number. Maybe 11:30 or after 11 now will start to drop. London used to get out from the position as well. So
We have
it's a
posted
typical
out
11
the
and
data
11:30
for
second
report for
leg.
the Kansas City Fed Manufacturing 2025 June report on the feed.
Could get two legs, like two bigger legs, like leg one somewhere here. $77 is waiting, 75 is waiting. So probably 77 will be a first. Yeah, 70 a bit higher than that. It's 78 probably. First leg down, bounce, something like that. If it goes down, obviously. And technically speaking, I need to go and grab this two liquidity. Should get down here. It might take time, but that's what market should do. That's 75 and we have liquidity at 75, so might just not happen in one push, but sometimes it does happen in one push. Somebody wants to cover at 80. Just stepped in. Yeah, a little bit of robbery, because that's a lot of longs. How about we just dump, grab this liquidity, and then go up again? Or maybe even go lower into this fair value gap. We do have a fair value gap here, here. So nine past 11. tick chart at zero line for I don't know how many times already. Tick is breaking zero line. That's enough. Three years contracts. That's how we're gonna do this. We'll cover here 20. And they're going for this 80 now. And Nasdaq should do something like that. Because Nasdaq already made as well another liquidity here. I didn't see like a proper push, like a exhaustion.
European mining stocks extend rise, now up 4%, set for the biggest daily rise since May 12th.
Come on, breaking. Tick chart below zero line breaking. Tick chart is breaking. Look at that. Let's see if we're gonna dump now. Are they gonna take? Oh man, they're buying this again. Maybe, but that wasn't a good idea here. To hold. Could have just closed everything and re-enter it up here. But it is what it is. As long as I have that liquidity at 75 and 72 and even 72, man, it's a target. That is a target. Get down here, break it. What is Nasdaq trying to do now? This is 600 delta. Tick chart. Okay, it looks like Nasdaq is trying to take that high. One more
Order
time.
filled.
Quarter bust. Oh, they just wanted to clean everything before the dump. Yeah. And now quickly boom. With pressure to the downside delta 800. Okay, I'm gonna add, if I can get one more, why not?
Order filled.
Fed bids for 4-week bills total
Order
$251.2 million.
filled.
Fine. I'm okay with it. And now break. God damn it. What a push.
Order filled.
Okay, now they sold one more time. Are we ready to drop? Is it ripe for drop now? Come on, drop. I don't like that. Looks like we're gonna blow up this account. 85, they wanna take 85? Okay, let them take 85. They have liquidity at 85, so fine.
Order filled.
So a reminder at the bottom of the hour, we're expecting the US 4-week bill auction data. 4-week bill prior high yield of 4.06% and prior bid cover of 3.15. So the US is looking to sell $60 billion in 4-week bills.
Four-week bills auction in 9 minutes. Well, well, well. Okay, well, I can't add it more because looks like this account's gonna go on the first trade. But, you know, eventually they're gonna turn around, so you just need to be patient. This Nasdaq is just crazy. Are they gonna pull? They will pull at some point. We just, what is it, like 4 points away. And then I'm gonna switch into profits.
According to the Financial Times, Brussels has warned Germany's Chancellor Merz not to expect UK-style carve-out for car sector in EU deal with Trump.
Yeah, we got a first chink in the armor. First stop is easy.
So we have posted out the article from the Financial Times on the feed for you to read through. Further into this piece then, Merz is delusional in his expectation that Germany's car industry will be spared from US tariffs, according to EU officials involved in trade talks with Trump administration.
Let's try.
Order filled.
Context, Merz has been pressing the European Commission,
What is it,
which
45?
manages
Okay,
trade policy on
we're
behalf
gonna
of the EU's
close 10
27
here.
member states, to sign a framework deal with Washington, aping the US-UK agreement signed earlier this month,
Has to work
which
this way.
included a special
If it drops,
dispensation,
it drops.
a dispensation for
80,
cars.
77, and 75. That's what we see. So,
But Brussels officials have privately
77,
told Berlin that
50.
such an agreement would not be possible, as reducing German
77,
car
50.
imports is a
So
big
it could go
focus
down there.
for Trump, according to two people briefed on the discussions who spoke
We'll
to
see.
the Financial Times.
If not, we blow up this account. That's it. Not a big deal. Better to blow it up at the first trade than when you have only 200 to pass. You've been working on it all week. I know it's a fair value gap here, but I just think it's time to dump it. There's just too much liquidity down here. 77, 50, 75.
Also, 5 minutes to go to get the US 4-week bill auction data.
Where's the 15
High yield of
minutes?
4.06%.
Here.
Prior bid cover of 3.15.
2. Got a lot of liquidity now. Two minutes. Give me 2 minutes here as well. Dump it. That's a little bit too much to ask. On the first drop. Come on, boys. Sell it. We'll do this. Limit by 15. Limit by 15. Last 3 minutes. Yeah. Dump.
Order filled.
Beautiful.
Order filled.
Got 10 more. Stop loss break even. Come on. Give me more.
Seeing here Tesla executive Musk and Musk confidant Omid Afshar
Give me more.
parts company.
Lovely. 77.25 is another step.
Order
Take the
filled.
5. Fast. Got 2 more minutes.
So at the back of the headline, again, Tesla executive and Musk confidant Omid Afshar parts company did see a little bit of downside movement on the S&P 500. Also, shortly expecting the US 4-week bill auction data.
Right. They're gonna go and grab that.
Order
Right.
filled.
Okay. Minus $99. Had to close because of that. Beautiful. I should have. Yeah, there you go, man. Look at that. That's a fucking buy, actually. Too late. So they had to flash this. I'll look at that now. See this? That's why I was holding and adding pops into the pops. Because I know they're gonna drop at some point and collect everything. They should have dropped here. They could have dropped here, but they decided to push even higher. Just to take even more longs, more longs. Makes sense. I mean, I was too early with the short. This short was stupid here when we inverted this fair value gap. Should have gone out the small loss.
High yield of 4%, 4% bid cover of 3.06. So the US sells $60 billion of 4-week bills and awards 56.11% of bids at high.
Beautiful. Beautiful exit. Yeah, you're gonna say, that was just gambling. No, I wasn't gambling. I mean, this was shit. I should have gone out here when I had an opportunity and just re-entered from here. Keep adding. Okay, 78, 80. I'm gonna short at 80. 1. Based on bookmap entry. And drop to 72. Can we get in?
Order filled.
Gonna get in here.
Order filled.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Order filled.
All right.
French PM says agreement close on some pension changes. French PM Beirut says government will submit pension changes in bill in the fall.
Target 72.
Order filled. Order filled.
There you go.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
That wasn't a big. What was that? 1.2. We finished minus 720. Liquidity is down there. Fine. I'm happy with that entry. It's a fair value gap here as well. A first drop into the fair value gap. Can keep adding.
Order filled.
Nasdaq is taking a fair value gap, but let's see if it's gonna close. Or will fail and get back down there. I mean, first stop is here. Start to drop. They're gonna go for that 5 minute, maybe lower. Looks like they inverted. Don't like that.
Order filled.
But I still see the 72 waiting, so let's see if market's gonna get down there one more time. What did we take? We dropped here. Nasdaq. We can repeat that, you know, the second second drop. $39, $40 starts to go down. $45 candle. Hopefully. ES did not invert that fair value gap. Nasdaq did, but ES didn't. How should I read that? Volume coming in. The 72 is fading a little bit. We did close above fair value gap. Let's see if we're gonna dump it now. Come on. Yeah, not good. Got some selling on the tape. Got some buying on the tape. Hard to say. This is just, we're looking at 2 minutes, right? Okay, let's watch 5 minutes. Yeah. I was getting a little bit too early. Nasdaq is trying. Oh yeah, really? $42 past. OTE. Let's see how we're gonna play this. 44 past. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Come on. Really? Doesn't look like a. Doesn't look like a drop. 45. Let's see. $72 is still waiting. But Nasdaq is pumping. That's not good, mate. That's not good. How about now? doesn't look like it's going to dump. It's not like it's pushing. But the ES is not following. We have inverted that fair value gap, was a fair value gap as well. What's going on? Why is this not updating? This could be a first drop, push up, first drop, take shorts, push up, and then drop again. So let's get ready for this drop. Hopefully we'll dump it now. Yeah, they should dump it because they just pumped it up. Obviously they took stop loss, they pumped it up, but now a lot of longs started to buy this. You have to rinse them. You have to rinse them. $78 is waiting. Yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good.
Amazon exec Vasi Philomin leaves Web Services Unit AWS and oversaw generative AI efforts.
Come on.
So again, Amazon loses AWS generative AI boss as tech talent shuffle heats up.
I'm actually covered to 10 here. Yeah. I'm gonna leave right now. We're gonna leave it right now. Come on. God damn it. Hmm. $72 is waiting. Down there. this is not dropping. Patience. Okay, now. Nasdaq is pushing. What is it? 53 past. Where is this Nasdaq going? Come on, dump it. This happened too quick. Oh. Stop losses popped on NQ. Are they going to continue higher or are we going to pull now? ES doesn't look that bullish. Yeah, I think now it's time to drop. Nasdaq wanted to sell. So when Nasdaq inverted this, that's bullish, but ES hasn't done that yet. See, we have not inverted that. Still respect it. That's actually different for ValueGap. That's the one. That's the one. Yeah. But there was another one here. Come on, drop it. Drop it finally. Now that Nasdaq sold, we should pull lower. I can see 75 waiting, and I see 72, 75 and 72. So let's do that. I'm gonna go 76, let's say. Let's try here first. 75. I'm gonna go with this. $75. Let's just get out with something here. 72 is at the bottom. Past.
EU leaders on Iran says that the EU will continue to contribute to all diplomatic efforts to
Oh, yeah,
reduce
under.
tensions.
T-shirt is under 0 line.
Shortly expecting the Freddie Mac numbers.
It's holding. They can pump. Before the drop. Yeah. $59. It's 12 o'clock. Let's see. I think it will be better if they drop first and leave these longs. Basically don't allow them to get out, because longs will be selling here. Let's see how they're gonna play that. Although there is a liquidity at 85 and 86. And something tells me this could go there.
According to networks, Trump is to appear on Fox News Sunday morning. Freddie Mac numbers coming through. 30-year mortgage rate falls to 6.77%. So that's the 30-year mortgage rate. Fixed mortgage rate of average 6.77% as of June 26th. And 15-year fixed mortgage rate average 5.89%.
It's probably not the best idea to. Yeah, so they decided to push into 85. Really?
So the US 30-year fixed mortgage rate at 6.77% June 26th versus 6.81% compared to the prior week.
God damn it. And you were like, yeah, I should get out, Because they tried a couple of times to go lower. And Nasdaq was taking high already.
Order filled.
I sold into that. $75 is waiting. Wouldn't surprise me if they do drop, and then it would not surprise me if they do something like that now. They're just gonna pull it. This is kind of similar situation like yesterday, and then something like that. This could happen. It's Nasdaq pumping. Yeah, this is not trading right now. This is just
Order filled.
being stubborn.
So just some further information of what to expect for the interview on Fox News with Trump on Sunday morning. So the host is expected to ask about Iran nuclear strikes and Trump's sweeping tax bill facing Senate hurdles. Senator Thune says timing of Senate vote on tax bill is still to be determined.
Ridiculous. 1,600.
Senate Majority Leader Thune speaking to
That's a
reporters.
big candle. Cut it. 195, that's liquidity 995. Technically speaking, they grabbed that liquidity here. When they did this, I was like, I was watching this on 2 minutes. Yeah, but I was like, maybe I should get out. Maybe this gonna pull. Nasdaq will pull here. ES will pull it down here.
S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 rising to session highs.
Could be that a repeat pattern from yesterday. Could happen. There's a lot of liquidity here as well. It wasn't like a proper spike. There was a little bit of grabbing here. We'll see. Now I will definitely get out, break even if I can. I'm not gonna hold this. It's bullish day today. I'm just trying to short that instead of going long. Yeah, 75 is waiting. So let's see if they're gonna get down here. Test this 80, maybe 75 later. But I'm all the time behind behind the trade. This is not an entry. That's just not. This was okay. Wasn't. I mean, I got an 80. Could get out at 78, but I didn't. It's just trading with bookmarks sometimes is dangerous because it tells you like, oh yeah, you can stay in this and hold it. That was a good hold. That made sense. This is I don't know. Might just drop. We'll have to close this. $1,600 volume is up here. This was pretty thin because there was just stops popping. You can just continue. Glad I passed this account. This one here. Could be a repeat pattern. Drop. Yeah. Should I reduce at least exposure? Past. Sometimes it's just forgetting that we should take the trades at the right places, not what we think. And that was a good place here to take short from here. Yeah. If it doesn't drop, you shouldn't stay in it. And it tried to drop on the second time and couldn't. When it does that, stop us, break even, and forget it. If it takes you out, takes you out. So that was ridiculous. I should have stop loss break even here. And now you're sitting in something like this. This can fucking continue. Just keep going to 95. Because they have liquidity up to 95. So what you want to do with this thing? 12 past. Nasdaq looks a little bit exhausted. Again, like here. like here. Still positive delta. $80. Let's go to liquidity. From what I see, 80 is there. So technically we could get down there, break even. Or close to break even. Yeah, it's a lunchtime. Time when I'm not supposed to trade. £15, that's top. I think that's the bottom, right? No, bottom is down there. Probably gonna take that. 80 up to 80 up to 90. I have to watch this. I think I said something like, "Oh, they might go and push." Yeah, I started to worry about this drop somewhere here. Like we reversed, then this they match that liquidity. It would be better if they took it and come back, but they didn't do it. They didn't drop. Let me focus on this because I might just reduce. Because this could be an opportunity to get out. Nasdaq is dipping. Come on, yes. Yeah. Nasdaq grab the low. Come on, yes. Go and grab that as well. We have liquidity, 82, 81. This could be a target. And 95 liquidity up there. God damn it. Okay.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
And now dump it. Now 15 is gonna be here. Okay, no. They did push. They did push into that. Okay, hopefully now we're gonna dump. Are you going to dump or not? Dump it. 83 is waiting. 82.50. So I'm at 83.75. Yeah, okay, 84 is waiting. We'll see. Let's see. Come on. Don't go up. God damn it. Don't go up.
Order filled.
Yeah. Blow up. Or get out, break even. And that's it. I'm finishing this ridiculous trading. If I'm gonna trade like this on my paid account, I'm not gonna have it too long. So I have to be very, very quick with decisions, because that was clearly not dropping. I could fucking see this. This is not dropping. This is not falling. And I'm like, you know what? Yeah, I could see this going up, and like, now, mate, just get out. Just get out. Now I can see that this can actually, if we break that low, we go and look at Nasdaq. If we break this, we can go. So there's a chance, and we have liquidity lower. So there's a chance we're gonna go lower. Yes, just holding today. So yeah, 82, 81, 80, you know, we still have liquidity down there, so hopefully we'll just dump into this 82 now. 82. Just dump it. Come on. A few more points. Doesn't want to break that. Yeah, broke. Nice. Let's go. Yeah.
Order
Gonna
filled.
take-
Order filled.
Come on. Dump it. Yeah,
Order
take
filled.
that. Minus $400. It's okay. Minus 450. It's just holding this like a flag. This can, you know, like some kind of a similar situation like here and then push. I don't know. That was the 15-minute liquidity I had to. Oh, it's actually lower, but that's good. Yeah, but this is what it was. Look at it. Look at the pump. Immediately pumping back up into 97, 98, and then got. Today is bullish day. I don't know why I'm actually shorting this. This was ridiculous, and that's why some kind of psychological thing. Like you start shorting something, then you get used to it. Look at it. If I was just buying that thing, like I wanted to buy initially off this fair value gap. Yeah, I wanted to buy off of this somewhere here because we swept it low. We swept the second time. Nasdaq was down here. And I'm like, I want to buy this. And I even said I'm not going to short. And they started to short because, like, you know what? It's going to drop. I'm going to buy it. And then I'm going to go. It didn't. And then it took me up to some stupid, size. It's just like the good thing is that this is a new account. So I'm like, fine. But then I managed to get out of here with like minus $100. Look at that. Look at this, man. The second leg up. And can just continue higher. How about we're gonna just buy that? And we're gonna buy Nasdaq. MNQ. How about we just buy Nasdaq 10 contracts? What do you think? You know what I think? It's lunchtime. And they can do whatever they want to do. You might think like, oh, this is good. They already pushed through this 5. That's your 15. No. Forget about ES. I mean Nasdaq. Forget about Nasdaq. Should go. You might go short on Nasdaq if you want to go. It does look like they could dump even lower. Very full. This is a place to short. This is definitely not a place to short. So order block here, bullish. ES is still trying to push through this 97, but wanna scalp a little bit, Nasdaq. 35. Hmm. Six.
Order
Try
filled.
some sort of drop, quick drop. Come on,
Order filled.
you like that?
Order filled.
Beautiful.
Order filled.
Okay, fine. Basically targeted this 15-minute liquidity, yeah. Yeah, it was bullish, but they failed, so this can continue lower, right? It's interesting, man. It's interesting because if this continues lower, give me years.
Order filled.
Yes, gonna go as well. Come on. Look at Nasdaq. No?
Order filled.
What am I doing?
Order filled.
Oh, God damn it, I'm closing. Oh, it's okay. Second
Order
leg down.
filled. Order filled.
Yeah, I know, second leg down. Like Nasdaq did.
Order filled.
Nasdaq has got target to 590. Yes, it has got targets to 91. So we should continue
Order filled.
lower to, sorry, and 80, 81. What am I talking about? 81. Come on. Let's go. We're trying to grab a free. $82, $81. failure. MQ. Come on. Come on. Now go up. Hmm. $41. Have to wait. Technically speaking, this could be, if that's the range, we could get down there. Could be like a fast drop, just like Nasdaq did. Yeah. To cover into this. I have to cover this into this 15-minute or whatever that is. Why is it not dropping?
Order filled. Order filled.
Let's see.
Order filled.
Alright. This is fair value up here, so I'm like, you know what? Just gonna reverse. Alright. Let's just start.
Fed bids for 70 notes total, $4.4 billion.
Reduced by 200 and lost, so it's okay. So kind of this pattern kind of repeats. Goes up second, boom, and then drop. Goes up second time, third, and drop. But it looks like bulls are on a mission today. Bulls on the mission today. 82, 81. But I'm done for the day. I fucked it up. I mean, I did pass this account, $324. That was good trading. This is just and it's like you're gonna buy this right now here, and they're gonna pull you even lower because Nasdaq it's 590. This is where it got liquid. Nasdaq has got liquidity, and they will probably go there. Here's this fair value gap. It's 47 past. We could just climb back. Yeah. Still falling 900. The thing is, like, if this gonna go now, Nasdaq looks like it could drop.
According to Axios, Netanyahu wants to meet Trump at the White House.
Let's see if they're gonna invert this fair value gap. 612.
No date set yet for Netanyahu-Trump visit at the White House.
587. That's liquidity. 590.
So that's Axios citing Israeli officials on Netanyahu-Trump meeting. Ten minutes away from the top of the hour, where we were expecting to hear from Levitt speaking at the White House press conference. The link to that video, the live stream, is on the link, or is on her name on the FJ calendar on the left-hand side. We also get the US 7-year note auction, the prior bid to cover of 2.69,
filled.
prior high yield of 4.194%. The US are looking to sell $44 billion of 7-year notes.
Stop loss here. Target 90.
So just a bit of research then. So primary dealers' position in 6 to 7 year sector was near record net long at $306 billion in the week ended June 11th versus $25.8 billion average over the past year. Latest CFTC positioning data shows speculators were net short 750k 10-year note futures, a possible source of covering demand at the auction. JP Morgan in a note on Wednesday, they see the auction as requiring more of a concession in order to be digested smoothly given lower yields and unattractive valuations.
Yeah. Let's go to 90. Why are you pushing? You want to take me out? That was just a second test. Tick chart below zero line on both ESN and Q. There's a chance we're gonna dump it. Hopefully we'll dump it now on this candle. That's where liquidity is waiting. Okay.
We'll also put out the video of Levitt on the feed for you as well.
Okay, now it has to go down. Or if it goes up, then I'm out.
Order
Take
filled.
one off just to pay for the trade.
That video is out on the feed now.
Looking good. $54.55. Have we new candle now? We'll probably pump a little bit on this new candle. We'll see.
5 minutes ago until we get the 7-year note auction data, high yield prior was 4.194%, prior bid cover of 2.69. We're also expecting Levitt to be speaking at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. The video has been posted on the feed for you to watch that.
Yeah. Might even go above. Okay, if it goes above, it goes above. I'm gonna re-enter the trade if it takes me out. ES is looking good as well. Everything is ready for a nice drop. How about view up. View up is 5560. 5560. This was one leg, could be the other one. Okay. 56. Please don't wake me up. God damn it. Here we got this level, let's not forget about that. This is London. Yeah, I have to do this like that. Limit by 2. And we can hold the rest for a drop lower. If it happens. If it happens. 6 to 5 now, just we got a liquidity 6 to 5. 6 to 5. Ooh, makes sense. Take everybody out before the dump. It does make sense. Yeah. Not dumping.
1 minute ago
59.
until we get the when issued yield for the 7-year note.
7-year note. At the same time, people were buying that. I could pull it just to take them out. For them, it doesn't matter. They have deep pockets. Yeah. It looks like they're gonna go for this 6 to 5. Take everybody out.
Fitch Ratings raises near-term oil and Henry Hub gas price assumptions.
Come on.
When
Dump it.
issued, 4.024%, 4.024% for the $44 billion auction.
Order filled.
1.
Order filled.
Tricky, 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 tricky. So, 625. Yeah, fucking hell.
So shortly expecting to have the data, the rest of the data for the 70 node auction.
Jesus. You see how that is? Still gonna push. Right? What AS is doing.
It's a high yield of 4.022%,
It took this short, they
4.022%,
blasted them up.
bid cover of 2.53. This US
Still
sales
didn't
$44
get
billion
to
of 70 notes and
6.5,
awards
so
2.43% of bids at
I'm gonna
high.
go
Order
long
filled.
here.
Primary
Order
dealers
filled.
take 11.64%, direct 11.62%, and indirect 76.74%.
I think they're gonna push the
Order filled.
liquidity is at
So that's a stop
6 to
stop
5.
through of 0.2 basis points.
So I can add into that. I mean, like a lot of shorts or shorting that, like me, they got stopped. Some of them are holding. Market should push into the 6 to 5. It should. Let's go. Wanna go long? Let's go long. Six to 5, right? Six to 5. Yeah, somewhere here. 6 to 3. Just in front of everybody. Come on, that's that push.
Order
Close
filled.
one part. Stop loss break even. Hopefully it will not wake me out. Just keep going. Come on.
So a reminder about
Let's
10 minutes
stop
time,
us
Fed's
over
power
now.
due to speak on community development.
There we
There
go.
is text and Q&A to be expected. There is
Order
also a live
filled.
video as well. We'll post that link out on the feed for you shortly.
Come on. You're almost there. Come on.
Order
Alright,
filled.
like that. Minus $65. Yeah, that was based on this. Look at it quickly. So we had two levels. Who could go down here? It's a nice pullback. Could re-enter it. Six to 5 waiting.
Order
I'm gonna
filled.
add here one more time and go for this 625. Okay, don't need to do anything with this.
Order filled.
Heading. Yeah, they got that stop losses. They got those shorts. And I was shorting this as well. Are you going to push or not? Come on. 107. That's 107. Don't you dump on me right now. This is big order at 625. And I want 623, so
So heads up, Levitt has begun her White House briefing. Remember, the video is on the feed for you to watch. And so is FedsBav. His video is on the feed as well for later on at 1:15 p.m. Eastern Time when he's due to speak. Remember, text and Q&A is expected for FedsBav. So specifically, Bar will be discussing how community development advances the Fed's objective at a conference focused on housing, workforce, and economic development. Keep an eye on the yield on the 7-year Treasury note, falling about 0.5 basis points to about 4.017% after the $44 billion auction.
negative delta. We're pushing on negative delta.
Order filled. Order filled.
There we go. Minus $14. Well, just made $470, right? Okay, I think that's the time to stop. It's yeah, this is pass. This is pretty much break even. Nothing happened. We are looking good. That was crap trading today, honestly. Let's just just analyze this quickly. Like this is where the problem started. This is where the problem started. Trying to go short, hoping if I drop into this just to grab 4 points. A ridiculous trade. I even told myself, but I'm not gonna short it, and I did short that thing. It's just. And the moment we started to push, I was like, okay, well, I wasn't that big, so I'm gonna hold, and we started to add. Could have gone out here for like from minus
Levitt says the US will carry less NATO
250 or
burden,
something.
and
It
allies
didn't.
will be strong.
Kept adding. Here we got out for minus 99. And yeah, I think we got into trouble somewhere here as well. Yeah, we got into trouble here, obviously, because I was hoping for another leg down. It didn't happen. Look how cleanly they took the stops. 79. Half a point, and boom, and push up here. And we kind of made this $400 back, $470 back, just on Nasdaq. You know, Nasdaq was dropping. There was a place to go long. Some people went long. I noticed that it just failed. Got short. I knew we're gonna push lower, and then we got short again. We got short here. Closed, got stopped for the rest. And there was a push into 25, 625. So 22 we got out. We bought it again. And it got pushed into 25.
CNN says US discussed easing Iran sanctions.
With the trend, it was so much easier to trade.
Levitt says that Trump will
trade
rally
with the trend.
Republicans to get tax bill done.
Yeah. ES has got a level 6195. That's a liquidity level.
1 minute to go now, but US and Iran measures are an attempt to get back to
Put that
negotiations.
like that. Let's see if it's gonna hit that or not. But
So 1
That's
minute
where I
till we
wanna
get
go.
text from FedSpar. Speaking of community development,
market is just pumping today. Just pumping. From the open, we had this manipulation at the open, and then just keep going up, up, up. For some reason, I was just feeling bearish today. I don't know why. So, still managed to pass this. That's some break even. It's okay. New account on break even. Minus
10
$50.
seconds till text release from FedSpar.
So, we done.
FedSpar says monetary policy is well positioned, allowing the Fed to wait. So Barr repeats comments on US economic outlook.
This is locked. This one will be locked as
Barr
well.
says that monetary
Come
policy is well
tomorrow.
positioned to wait and see how the
And
economic
tomorrow
conditions
I'll be
unfold.
trading both.
So it's important to bring inflation back to target, as
This will
low-income
become
households can ill afford
paid
price
account.
increases.
Mm,
Tariffs
be
put
extra
upward
careful.
pressure on inflation, and there is to be some persistence. Tariffs may at some time slow the economy, cause unemployment to rise.
See
Low-income
tomorrow.
workers often hardest hit when job market weakens. There is still considerable uncertainty on tariff policy.